Guys, I'm here at the store. Where am I? I'm in the wrong section. Okay, I'm at the 99 cent store. I'm gonna pick up a mug. Let me show you real quick. I'm in here. Anyway, so these are it's all 99 cents. You can pick up any one you want. Obviously, I'm not gonna get this one because it already has something on it. But you would want to get like a plain one, like a plain white one like that. They have more options here. I don't know what I'm gonna do I don't want this one. So let's keep looking. The rest are very, very small. I don't know. Maybe something a little different. Okay, this would do for me. The one that I made for my best friend, was I think I made it in this. Yeah, I bought this one. Just to show you guys, basically, I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna get this mug. I got the mug. This is what I'm gonna use. Let's see, what else do I need? That's it for now. Go pay for it, and we're out. Okay, guys. So this is all you need. You need a coffee mug from 99 cent store, a red permanent marker, a black permanent marker. I don't have paint, so I'm gonna use a nail polish. So I'm gonna use a red nail polish, a black nail polish, a nail polish removal, and a Q-tip to kind of wipe off any excess paint or mistakes or errors or whatever. Alright, so let's get started. This is what it looks like so far. And there you have it, folks. It is done. My person mug. Give it to your favorite person in the world. This is just half of it. I will. This is just half of it. You can turn the other side if it's big enough. Oops. If it's big enough, you can turn the other side and write, "You will always be my person" here. But I want to just do it on one side today. So there it is. So we're gonna wipe off the excess paint